Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to embed PDF to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open that page or post where you want to add or embed a PDF, then click on edit, and I want to add a PDF file to this button, so I'm selecting the button and clicking on this pencil icon, and I'm clicking on this gear icon next to this link option and selecting file, and I'm opening my file manager. So here's the PDF I'm going to upload here, so I'm simply dragging and dropping it here, and I'll select the PDF and click on save, and I'm going to save my editing, and now I'm going to clicking on this button. So here you can see I successfully embedded PDF to my Squarespace website. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.